The snipping tool is a free application on our computers or laptops that we can use to take full advantage of the application. It is a free application. Why not use it than download another application? Let's take a look at it. So you go to your start menu, and type snipping tool. It will display. This is it. You follow my mouse pointer. Select the snipping tool. This is the snipping tool. It has additional features, but it is until you have opened an image, you won't see the additional features. So let me open an image so you can see it for yourself. So you select any image of your choice, an image with text that you want to copy. You right click on the image, open it with the snipping tool. This is the snipping tool at work. With this image that I have opened with snipping tool, I get to see the full features of the snipping tool. The snipping tool has the camera tab. This is the camera tab. If you're following the mouse pointer, this is the camera tab for taking a picture. This is for recording a video. And you know this tab is when you want to take a new picture or record a new video. You click on it and you are good to go. This is the camera tab. And with the camera tab, it gives you the opportunity with this tab called the snipping mode. This is the snipping mode. The snipping mode is attached to the camera, which gives you the opportunity of taking a screen picture of various segments of the picture.